After installing or converting AlmaLinux or CentOS to CloudLinux, you may encounter a persistent kernel-related error, even after multiple server reboots. Here's how to quickly resolve the issue. I was inspired by Deepak Prasad's work. The link to his article is available in the description. The error is usually due to kernel misalignment. Running this command, you will notice that the CloudLinux kernel is positioned in second place instead of first, causing the error. We will reposition it to first place and set it as the default kernel. The info command will provide a list of installed kernels along with their locations. Copy the details from the provided link. Once we have the information, we will select the kernel with the LVE label and use the set default command to load it as the first option. Refer to the link and copy the required command to simplify the operation. Run the following command to reboot your server in normal mode. After the reboot, the issue should be resolved. If this process seems complex, visit oneserve.fr. We offer consulting services to help you resolve these types of errors on a Linux server with cPanel.